Hey, what's up guys, it's Jesse. Welcome to Brick Designed. Today I'm showing you how to build these 7 items using the color red. So this monochrome theme kind of came about over on my Instagram for one of my Furniture Fridays. And what I wanted to do is really just build a collection of things that were, naturally or typically red, like a fire hydrant or a classic red lawnmower, or even these diner booths. So these are really fun to build. They're easy and they don't use a lot of uncommon pieces. So I hope you guys really enjoy the video, and maybe I'll be able to do some other color themes in the future. As always, follow me on Instagram and TikTok at Brick Designed, and hit me up down below in the comments to let me know what you want to see me build next, or just to say hi. And please consider subscribing if you don't already, and smash that like button for me.